Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss the electric intensity at any point due to the electric dipole. So here we have given dipole, that is the minus q or plus q, which is separated by a small distance. So negative charge and positive charge which are separated by a small distance, that is called as the dipole, and dipole moment is the magnitude of the either charge and distance between them. So this distance between two charges is d, and here we want to calculate the electric field intensity at a point q. So this point is far from a center of the dipole, that is the r distance. So at this point we want to calculate the electric field intensity along the axis of the dipole, and also we want to calculate the electric field intensity on the bisector of the dipole at a distance r. So here this is the general formula of the electric intensity for calculating the electric intensity along the dipole. So by using this formula we can calculate the electric field intensity around the dipole. So here what will happen, this E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube under root 3 cos square theta plus 1. So here P is the dipole moment, that is the P is equal to Q into D. So in case first, so here we want to calculate the electric field intensity along the axis of the dipole. So here this distance from the center of the dipole is the r. At r distance we want to calculate the electric field intensity along the axis. So electric field intensity on the axis of the dipole, here the angle made by the dipole and this axis is 0. So theta is equal to 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So cos square 0 is also equal to 1. So here we have put the cos square 0. So that is equal to 1. So 3 multiplied by 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So this we get under root 4. So this we will get under root 4. So E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube multiplied by under root 4. So under root 4 is 2. So this E is equal to 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube, or this also we can write this 2 divided by 4, that is the E is equal to P upon 2 pi epsilon 0 r cube. In second case, here we want to calculate the electric field intensity on the bisector of the dipole or along the equatorial. So here this distance q point is r distance. So here we want to calculate the electric field intensity. Oh, that distance is r. So theta is equal to 90 degrees. So here the angle is 90 degree. So cos square 90, that is equal to 0, or cos 90 is equal to 0. So here we have put the cos square 90 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 3. 0 multiplied by 3, that is 0 under root 1. So under root 1 is remaining. So this term, that is the E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube multiplied by under root 1. So under root 1, that is equal to 1. So E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. So this is the equation when we want to calculate the electric field intensity along the bisector, and this is the formula. By using this formula we can calculate the electric field intensity along the axis. So just we want to vary the distance, so r just get vary. So in this way we can calculate the electric field intensity along the axis as well as along the bisector. If we have taken the q point here, so just we want to take the theta angle, and by using that angle just we want to put the value of that theta and calculate this. So easily we can calculate the electric field intensity at certain angle. Thank you.